Enzymes are divided into 6 categories, that is enzyme commission 1 to 6. Enzyme commission 1 is oxidoreductase. Enzyme commission 2 is transferase. Enzyme commission 3 is hydrolase. Enzyme commission 4 is lyase. Enzyme commission 5 is isomerase and 6 is ligase. Now to remember this, mnemonic is OT is highly isolated area. O means oxidoreductase, T means transferase, high means hydrolase, lyase, isomerase and ligase. Enzymes which carries oxidation reduction reactions are oxidoreductases. Transfer of oxygen means oxidation, transfer of hydrogen or electron is called reduction reaction. Transfer of a group from one molecule to another is done by transferase enzyme. Isomerase enzymes interconverts the isomers. Hydrolase enzymes will break the bond by adding water. Ligase enzyme will make a bond by using ATP. And lyase can make a bond or break a bond without using ATP or water.